Hello, children. Hope you all are safe and good. Let's start our class with a small prayer. Close your eyes. Dear God, bless us in our online class today. Help us to grow in love and kindness more like you every day. Amen. Okay, children. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is algebra. Okay. So last class we studied measurements. So we started finding the volume. So what is the formula to find the volume? Length into breadth into height. So the answer will have cubic units. So you have to write cubic units, that is cubic centimeter or cubic meter, like that you have to write. Okay. Then we studied about the simplification to find the dimensions. Okay, so I think you would have understand all that. Today we shall start with the unit 4 algebra. So this is a very easy unit. Okay, if you listen, if it is easy. Okay, so let's start the class. You can take your book, page number 28. Page number 28. So first, what is algebra is? So what is algebra is? So algebra consists of the use of numbers and letters to state and solve a problem. So algebra uses numbers as well as letters. Letters means what? A, B, P, Q, X, Y, all these are alphabets. These are the common alphabets that are used in algebra. So these things and all you will study in higher classes. Now we are going to simply we are going to see the outline. Okay, so algebra consists of what? Algebra consists of numbers as well as letters to state or solve a problem. Okay, using numbers and letters we will tell what is the problem is, or we will solve the problem. Okay, so in this we are going to see about equality. What is equality? So as the name state means, equality means பேரை பார்த்தாலே தெரியும் போது equalities means equal, same. Okay, so when we add, subtract, multiply or divide two numbers, then the answer we get is always another number. So suppose 1 plus 1 we will get 2. Otherwise 1 minus 1 we will get 0. 1 into 1 we will get 1. So like that we see. Suppose for example they have taken a number 4 and 2. 4 and 2. So we get the number 6. So 4 plus 2 is 6. For like that 4 into 2 8. Okay, 4 minus 2 2. Similarly 10 minus 4 is 6. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 into 1 is 6. So in all these cases we are getting the answer as 6. Okay, so we shall see that example. Consider this number 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, then 10 minus 4 is 6. Then 12 divided by 2 is 6. Then 6 into 1 is 6. In all these cases we are getting the answer 6. Same answer. Okay, so suppose you consider some more example. 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, then 17 minus 7 is 10. 5 into 2 is 10. Okay, 20 divided by 2 is 10. So all these numbers, if we do the operation, we are getting the answer as 10. Now I can say 5 plus 5 is equal to 17 minus 7. எப்படி நான் சொல்கிறேன் 5 plus 5யும் 17 minus 7ம் ஈக்குவல். எப்படி சொல்கிறேன்னா 5 plus 5 பண்ணால் 10 is equal to 17 minus 7 10. இதுக்கும் ஆன்சர் 10 தான், இதுக்கும் ஆன்சர் 10 தான். So this is equal to this. I can say this is equality. These two numbers are equalities. Okay, அதே மாதிரி I can say 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 into 1. Because 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 into 1 is 6. So we are getting the same answer. So 4 plus 2 and 6 into 2 are equalities. So this is how we can find the equalities. So ரெண்டுத்துக்குமே ஆன்சர் ஒன்று தான், ஆனால் ஆப்ரேஷன் வேறு வேறு. ஆப்ரேஷன் மீன்ஸ் அது plus minus divide multiply are called as operations. So inga na add pandra, inga minus pandra. So if I do 5 plus 5 I am getting 10. Similarly 17 minus 7 also I am getting 10. So these two are equalities. Okay, I can also say 5 into 10 is equal to 20 divided by 2. So 5 2s are what? 10 is equal to 20 divided by 2 is 10. So this is equal to this. Okay, this is called as equality. What is that? Equality. Equality means rendu pakkamum same answer varum. That is called as equality. Okay, so we shall see the exercise sums here. Page number 29, exercise 4.1. So first we shall read the question, understand the question, then we shall do the sum. Using brackets, we have to use brackets. First point is using bracket, we are going to use brackets. Write 3 pairs of number whose sum is 12. Sum means what? Add. Sum means what? Add. நம்ம 3 pair number எழுத போறோம். அது எப்படினா ஆட் பண்ணா நமக்கு ஆன்சர் 12 கிடைக்கணும். ஓகே, அதுதான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் क्वेश्चन. நம்ம bracket யூஸ் பண்ணி எழுதணும். ஓகே, next one is use them to write 3 equalities. அதை யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு நம்ம 3 equalities எழுதணும். Okay, so first thing we are going to use brackets and we are going to write 3 numbers using addition that should have the answer as 12. Okay, so exercise 4.1, first sum. Okay, 3 pairs எழுத போறோம். 1 2 3. Okay, first pair is நமக்கு என்ன வரணும்? ஆன்சர் வந்து 12 வரணும். அதுவும் என்ன பண்ணணும்? ஆட் பண்ணணும். first one we take 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5. So I have used bracket. So 7 plus 5 is 12. Next another pair 8 plus 4. இதுதான் எடுக்கணும்னு கிடையாது, நம்ம எது வேணா எடுக்கலாம் as you wish. So simply I am taking this number. Okay, so 8 plus 4 is again 12. So 2 pairs முடிஞ்சாச்சு. அடுத்த pair is 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 also 12. So நம்ம first question முடிச்சாச்சு. That is write 3 pairs of number whose sum is 12. So அது முடிச்சாச்சு. Next one use them to write 3 equalities. So equalities எழுதணும். So இதை வச்சு 3 equalities எழுதணும். அதே மாதிரி 1 2 3. The first number என்னது? 7 plus 5. இது ஈக்குவலாக நம்ம என்ன எழுதலாம்? 8 plus 4. Okay, so 7 plus 5, 8 plus 4 are same. Similarly 7 plus 5 is equal to 6 plus 6, or 8 plus 4 is equal to 6 plus 6. So you have written equality. So this is the answer. Very simple. First thing we have to write the pairs that should have a sum of number 12. Okay, so that's the thing. Next one, next sum. Find 4 pairs of number. How many pairs we are going to find? 4 pairs. One for each. Addition ku one, subtraction ku one, multiplication ku one, division ku one. The answer we have to get is 16. So the numbers add panna 16 வரணும், subtract panna 16 வரணும், multiply panna 16 வரணும், divide panna 16 வரணும். அதை வச்சு we are going to write the equalities. Okay, so second sum. So 4 pairs we are going to write. 4 pairs. So first pair answer should be what? நமக்கு answer என்ன கிடைக்கணும்? 16 வரணும். 16. Okay, 16 we should get. So first addition க்கு. So 12 plus 4. 12 plus 4 is 16. So addition க்கு முடிஞ்சாச்சு. Next subtraction. Subtraction is 20 minus 4. 20 minus 4. Then after that multiplication 8 into 2. Then division 32 divided by 2. So addition க்கு, subtraction க்கு, multiplication க்கு, division க்கு we have found out the pairs. Now we are going to write the equality. So first one is 12 plus 4. இதுக்கு equality என்ன? இதாவது number we can write. If you write 10 plus 6 also 16 only. So this is equal to 6. Then for subtraction 20 minus 4. So 20 minus 4, any other thing? So 18 minus 2. Okay. Then after that third one 8 into 2. So 8 into 2 க்கு 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. இது ஒரு equality. Then 32 divided by 2. இதுக்கு என்ன equality we can write? Yes, 48 divided by 3. This is another equality. So for this also you should know tables. If you know tables, you can write the equalities very easily. Okay, this is how you will write the equality. I think you would have understood. We shall move on to the next one. Inequality. So equality பார்த்தோம். ஈக்குவாலிட்டினா ரெண்டு சைடும் ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும். அதுக்கு ஆப்போசிட் இன்இக்வாலிட்டி. இன்இக்வாலிட்டினா ரெண்டு சைடும் வேறு வேறு இருக்கணும். அதுதான் வந்து இன்இக்வாலிட்டி. ஸோ இன்இக்வாலிட்டிக்கு we are going to have two things, that is less than or greater than. ஸோ மொத்தமாக ஒரு நம்பர் லெஸ் தேனாக இருக்கணும், இல்லைனா greater than-ஆக இருக்கணும், ரைட்? ஸோ இப்போ வந்து ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஐ எம் டேக்கிங் 9 minus 5, then 25 divided by 5. Right, 2 pairs. Okay, so what is 9 minus 5? 9 minus 5 is 4. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Here 4, here 5. 4 is less than 5. 4 is not equal to. 4 or 5 are equal. 4 விட 5 வந்து பெருசு. So 4 is less than 5. So this equation is less than this equation. So இதுதான் equality. Equal கிடையாது, ஆனால் less than இல்லை greater than-ஆக இருக்கலாம். Okay, so one more example I will tell you. 6 plus 3 and 6 into 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 into 3 is 18. So 9 is less than 18. So this equation is less than this equation. This is inequality. Inequality we will follow two things, that is less than or. Okay, one example sum we shall see now. Okay, so for example consider 7 plus 8. What will come here? 20 divided by 2. What is 7 plus 8? 7 plus 8 is 15. Okay, and 20 divided by 2. What is 20 divided by 2? It is 10. So 15 is greater than 10. 15 is greater than 10. So this equation is greater than this equation. Okay, so one more sum we shall do. See this sum. 9 plus 4 is greater than 12. So it is true or false. True or false. So what 9 plus 4 is? It is 13 greater than 12. So 13 is greater than 12. So idhiliyum greater than is so it is true. Like this only we will do. Okay, so if you see the exercise sums, you will get to know very clearly. Okay, so we shall see the exercise sum in the next class. Okay children, take care. Thank you. Bye.